present our project summary. The system that we are doing is car wash system. The FastNRF car is developed to allow customers to book their car wash slot online instead of walking. This helps reduce waiting time as a customer can go straight to the car wash season without queue. Customer can access the system through our official website that we are provide. Okay, next we are going to objective part of the project. The objective is develop an online car wash booking system for FastNRF car spa. The second is to minimize human error and manual record keeping in scheduling car wash appointments. The third is to boost FastNRF car spa brand's visibility through digital presence. And the last one is to enable the management of multiple brands under one integrated system.
I'll now present the analysis of input, process, output of our car spa system. First is input. Input refers to all the information provided by the customers before any processing begins. These details are essential for the system to operate correctly and generate accurate result. It contains branch, names, phone numbers, date, time, car type, services, add-on, and member type. Once all the required inputs have been collected, this system moves on to the process phase. It's begin with choosing the branch. 3 branch provided. Next, fill in the date of the appointment and time customer prefer, which is M, morning, A, afternoon, and E, evening. 3 of these time slots have their specific time operation. Then, choose your car whether it is 4 or 6-seater. This process will ask the customer to have exterior wash, interior, or full wash. The prices are based on the car type and the services selected. Moreover, add-on services also provided. There are also member type. To apply possible discount, one is e-hailing driver got 25% cut off and member card get 20%. Move to price calculation, adds-on, tax and discount and all. The final total compute with all adjustments. The outcome of this program are branch, dates, time slots, name, phone numbers, car type, services, add-on types, prices, prices, price after add-on, discount rates, tax rates, final total, and lastly, grand total.
Okay, so we go to Sudoku part. The first you have to start the coding, and the second is you have to declare what you want to declare on your coding. And third, we are display welcome. Fourth, we are display brands. We have 3 brands. The first is Arau Malau Citra. The second is Arau Place and Treat at Batu Kawat Pulau Pinang. And then we customer have to pick one location that they want, and then they have to input the brands and input name and input phone number so we can easily to contact there. And then the last one is do they have to like all the things have to insert at the we are doing we add a loop, and then we are prompt do you have any members, so customer have to insert they have a yes or no they have a members, because if you have a members you can get the discount. And then we are display type, we have 2 display is 4-seater and 6-seater, and then we are display the type of the 3 is exterior interior full wash, the service that we are provide. And then they ask do you want add on any service, so customer can put the yes or no for the service that they want to add on. And then we ask the customer they have a members or not. We have 2 members is e-hailing in member card. If you are members you can get a discount. If you are not member you cannot give a discount. And then we have 4 calculation in our coding. The first is calculate the price add on, and second is calculate the discount rates, and then we are calculate the tax rate, and finally we are calculate the final totals. And then we ask the customer if they want to add on booking. And then after that we display the receipt. The display receipt we add a full address the brands that they choose, and then we display the output. The output show that the first is dates and times, the name and phone number customer, car type 4-seater or 6-seater, and the service, the add-on service package that they want and add-on. And then after add-on what's RM, and then discount we are input the calculation, and then the every members have to charge 3% of the tax, and then we are total out the full amount that customer have to pay, and then we add on also the grand total. Okay, this is our last output. Thank you.
First, we calculate add-on. We need to input price and add-on price, and then we declare price add-on. And then we need to calculate price add equals to price plus add-on price. And then we need to return price add. For the discount calculation, first we need to input price after add-on and discount. And then we declare discount price. After that, we calculate discount price equals to price after add-on times discount. And then we need to return discount price. Calculate tax. First, we need to input price after add-on, then we declare price tax. After that, we calculate price tax equals to open bracket price after add-on times 1.03, and then we need to close the bracket. And then we minus price after add-on, and we return price tax. Next is calculate total. We input price tax, discount rate, and price after add-on. And then we declare total price. Next is calculate total price equals to price after add-on minus discount rate plus price tax. And then we return total price. Display branch, first we have number 1, Malau Citra. After that, number 2, Arau Police. Number 3, Batu Kawan, New Line. And then we need to return. For display time, first we need to display and then New Line. After that, we'll display M for morning, for A, afternoon. And then we have E for evening. And then we need to return. For display type, first we have 4-seater and then we have 6-seater. And then we need to return. For display service, first for number 1 we have exterior, number 2 interior. For 3 we have full wash. And then after that we need to return again. Display for add-on, first we have tire shine, number 2 engine wash, number 3 wax and polish. And then we return.
I'll be explaining the flowchart in integer main. We begin the flowchart integer main with dot and declare all the variable we need to. Then the program will display welcome to FastNRF class bar. Proceed with display branch. Then we're gonna choose the branch. If the branch chosen equals to 1, it is Malau Jitra, 2 Arau Perlis, and 3 Batu Kawan Pulau Pinang. Else than that, invalid branches. To proceed, we put our name and phone number. Then the program will display time. If time is M, it is equals to morning, A, afternoon, and E, evening. Others, the program will display invalid time chosen and end it. Next, fill in the date, and the program will display type, enter 4 or 6-seater type of car. Next is going to display service. If our car is 4-seater, E is exterior equals to Rm10 ringgit, I, interior equals to Rm25 ringgit, and F, full wash equals to Rm40 ringgit. If car type is 6-seater, E equals to 50 ringgit, I equals to 30, and F equals to 50 ringgit. Else, display the service type you entered is unavailable. The program gonna ask whether we want to add on services or not. If yes, there's 3 options we can choose. The first one is tire shine costs 10 ringgit, 2 engine wash costs 20 ringgit, and 3 wax and polish is 50 ringgit. Others than that, invalid add-on chosen will be displayed. If no add-on needed, proceed to ask, do you have any members? If yes, enter member type. There's 2 member type provide. One is e-hailing, 25 discount provided. 2 is member card, you will get 20% discount. If no members, then discount equal to 0. Calculate all, start by price after add-ons, discount rates, tax rates, and final total. There is also grand total if we book more than 1 car. The program is going to ask whether we want to book for another car. If yes, the loop is going to happen and go back to customer name required. If no, it will proceed to display the address of the branch we chose, the receipt that contains date, time, name, phone number, car type, service, add-on, price after add-on, tax 3%, total, and grand total. Below them, some added information displayed.
As you can see here, we use array in our source code. We use function return and function void. We also include do while in our source code to ask whether customer wants to repeat order or not. Here are the switch control structure. So this part of the code prints the branch address based on the user selection. And this is our receipt. Here are example output for valid data. So we have receipt for booking 1 and receipt for booking 2. So this is an example output for invalid data. Sometimes customer might enter invalid location during booking. Our system only provides 3 correct options, which are 1. Malau Jitra, 2. Arau Perlis, and 3. Batu Kawan, Pulau Pinang. But if the user select a number outside the range like 8, the system will detect the error and will stop instantly. It then displays an invalid branches message.